How's it going, guys? In this video we're going to be tearing up this old tile and we're going to be installing new 18 by 18 travertine tile, so stay tuned. Okay, so the first step is demolition. Right here we're using a Makita demolition hammer, as you can see right here in the bottom right. And if you don't have one, you can rent one for Home Depot for about $50 a day or $200 a week. You're definitely going to want to rent one or either purchase one. This room measures about 18 by 25 feet and it only took us a couple hours to get this done, demo and cleanup. This is by far going to be the toughest part of this job. You're going to need some safety glasses for this part of the job. Chip-ins tend to go all over the place, so if you don't have any on, you're going to get one in your eye, so make sure and wear them. Okay, so after cleaning up all the tile and debris, you can now start laying down your tile. And right here, you're just gonna basically spread your cement where you're gonna put your tile on. Also, you don't have to spread your cement just going one direction. As long as you have enough cement under where you're gonna put your tile, you should be okay. One thing you're gonna want to do is remove any cement from the edges, and in a moment you're gonna see why. And one of the reasons for putting a little extra cement on the corners or edges is because you're gonna be able to push down on the edges and level them up with the surrounding tiles. And right here he's just pushing down on the tile so you could get it flush with the surrounding tiles. And here's the reason why we remove some of the cement off the edges, and it's because the cement tends to come up through the gaps. And once you make sure everything is flush, you can start inserting your spacers. One in each corner should be fine. And now we're going to be cutting one of these tiles to fit in this corner. This machine here is called a wet saw, and basically what it does is just reduces the amount of dust produced by the tile. Whenever we can't get an exact cut from the wet saw, we have to use this grinder right here. and that should be a good fit. The gap between the wall and the tile is going to be filled up with ground, and we're also going to be installing shoe molding, so it should be okay. We also have a bucket full of water and a sponge just to clean up all the cement that gets on the tile. And here's the finished product after adding grout and applying sealer.